So in this video, we are going to cover this Trailhead module, which is required. And as you can see, this Trailhead module is for Salesforce Architect Certification Maintenance. By completing this module, you will be covering your sharing and visibility architect certification maintenance, data architect maintenance, as well as application architect maintenance. Now, in this video, I'm not going to talk about any, any discussion so far, they have explained. I am just directly, coming to a solution. And in a video later, I will, share what all the discussion, we have as in this new release, so that you can also answer the questions if anyone asks in interview, or just for your knowledge as well, which you can implement in your projects. I will share you this link in the description of the video, and I will request you to please, press the bell icon, so that whenever I upload new video, you get the notification. Generally, I upload 3 videos per week, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So please press the bell icon, so so that you never miss the update. Let us, start with this. This is the questions we have. So if you are an event monitoring customer, how can bulk API 2.0 information can be viewed? So it will be event log file object. What is the benefit of the register customers with passwordless login solution kit? It enables user to log in with something other than email address, such as mobile number. How can PK chunking with the task relation table make a Salesforce architect's job easier? It automatically splits bulk query into chunk to maximize the daily batch limit. Let us check. Wow. So one completed, now second one. What should the Salesforce architect recommend to maintain a single identity for the entire customer journey across sales, service, marketing, and third-party application? Salesforce Customer Identity Plus. What is the benefit of the updated Platform Connect Scratch org feature? 5 connected. Correct. When will enhanced domain be enforced? Winter 23 release. Perfect. So this way, you can also maintain your certification. Hope you liked my video. So please put a thumbs up, and please share your channel in your connections. Thank you for watching video. I will be sharing next content very soon. Take care.